Okay, 7.4 B1. 7.4 B1. The question was, a rectangular playing field has an area of 440 square meter. Area of the rectangular square field is given, that is 440 square meter. If its length is 22 meter, find its breadth. Length is 22 meter. Find its breadth. So area is given in the question. Length also given in the question. What we need to find? We need to find its breadth. Clear? So answer 1, write down the things, write down the information or data given in the question. That is area of the field. That is given in the question, right? Area of the field. That is equal to 440 square meter. And length of the field. Length of the field also given. That is 22 meter. Okay. You will get these two data from the question. And third, what we have to find? We have to find the breadth. Breadth. Okay. If we know the area and length, the equation to find the breadth is area divided by length. Area divided by length. Okay, this is the equation. So write down the equation. After that, substitution. Area is 440 divided by length is 22. Okay, 440 square meter divided by 22 centimeter. Sorry, 22 meter square. That was square meter. Square meter divided by 22 meter. Then you will get 20 meter. When you will divide 440 by 22, you will get 20 meter. That is the correct answer. Did you get it? That was very, very simple. Did you understand? Stop playing with your, what is that, earphone? Okay, good. Second question. Read the second question. A rectangular classroom is of length 27 meter. If its area is 594 square meter, what is its breadth? From the question, we will understand two things. Which are they? We can identify the area. Okay, area is given in the question. Area of the classroom is given in the question. And length of the classroom also given. Okay. Rectangular classroom is of length 27 meter. That means length of the classroom is 27 meter. If its area is 594 square meter, that means the area of the classroom is 594 square meter. What is its breadth? We have to find the breadth again. Okay. If you know the length and area, we have an equation to find the breadth. That is area divided by length. Area divided by length. Area is 594 divided by length is 27. That is equal to 22 centimeter. Clear?
Miss, 22 meter, Miss.
Oh, sorry. All the data were in centimeter. It is 22. Okay. Clear? And listen carefully, everyone. Listen carefully. You have a homework question now. Homework. There are 3 homework questions. 3, 4, 5. These are very simple questions. Okay. These are very simple questions. You only need to read the question. Question 2, 3, 4, 5 എത്ര തവണ വായിച്ചാലാണോ മനസ്സിലാവുക അത്ര തവണ വായിക്കുക. Identify the data or things given in the question. Then എന്താണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്, what is the task to do, അത് identify ചെയ്യാം, then do. Okay. Third one, a rectangular garden is divided into 10 equal flower buds. There is a rectangular garden and it is equally divided into 10 flower buds. So 10 flower buds ഉണ്ട് അതിൽ. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു flower bud ന്റെ length and breadth is given. It is not the length and breadth of the rectangular garden. It is the length and breadth of the flower bud. Okay, അതിൽ 10 ഒരു flower bud ന്റെ length and breadth ആണ്. Then what is the area of the garden? Okay, area of the garden that you have to find. In 4th question and 5th question, we were asked to find the perimeter. Okay, both are rectangle. 4 and 5, the shape or the figure is a rectangle. We need to find the perimeter. Area and length or breadth are given. Okay, so you will get the, you can find the length and breadth using the equation. നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച equations use ചെയ്തിട്ട് correspondingly, I mean appropriate ആയിട്ട് use ചെയ്യാം. ലെങ്ത്തും ബ്രെഡ്ത്തും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. Then area, sorry, perimeter. If you know the length and breadth, you can easily find the perimeter. That's a simple way. So ചെയ്ത് means orderly ചെയ്തു വരാം. Clear? Twenty minutes. When did you join the class? We have only 10 minutes time. This class probably ends at 4:40.
3:59.
Okay, 4:29. 10 more minutes is there. Okay, if the class ends at 4:29, you have to rejoin. Okay, I'll continue the class for 10 minutes. Clear? If the class ends at 4:29, you have to rejoin. Clear? I'll continue the class till 4:40. Clear? Now, pathways. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറിയതല്ലോ, അപ്പൊ തന്നെ 10 minutes റിമൈനിങ് ടൈം കാണിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. മേ ബി ആരെങ്കിലും നേരത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. That may be because of that. Next, pathways. Do you know what are pathways? Pathways. So, in an open ground or play area or field, അതിന് ചുറ്റുമോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ നടുക്കൂടിയോ ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ വഴിയൊക്കെ കടന്നു പോകുന്ന കാണാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? പാത്വേ, ഒരു പാത. പാത്വേസ് മീൻസ് പാത അല്ലേ? നടന്നു പോവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് വലിയ അധികം വീതിയൊന്നും ഇല്ലാത്ത ചെറിയൊരു പാത. Okay, so we are going to learn about pathways. Usually parks, open grounds, fields and large plots have pathways running through them. The pathways could be laid in the following manner. 4 manners ഈ pathways ഒരു ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ ഉണ്ടാവും. നമ്മൾ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ ഇത്. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഒരു ഫീൽഡ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഗാർഡൻ, ഒരു പാർക്ക്, അതിന് ചുറ്റുമോ അതിന് ക്രോസ് ആയിട്ടോ പാത്വേസ് പോകുന്നുണ്ടാവാം. 4 ടൈപ്പിൽ, അങ്ങനെ 4 മെത്തേഡിലാണ്, 4 മാനറിലാണ് പാത്വേസ് ഈ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിനെ ക്രോസ് ചെയ്ത് പോവാ. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ലെങ്ത് വൈസ് പാത്വേ. ടേക്ക് യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. Please tell me the page number. Is it 151? 161?
161.
Okay,
161.
In page number 161. Page number 161. You can see 4 pictures, 4 rectangles with pathways. Okay, the first one, lengthwise pathway. Lengthwise pathway. What is it? Lengthwise pathway. In lengthwise pathway, the pathway is parallel to the length. Rectangle de length node parallel aanalle pathway. This is the length. The pathway and the rectangle have the same length. Clear? In lengthwise pathway, the rectangle and the pathway have the same length. Clear? In this case, clear? Lengthwise pathway. The pathway is parallel to the length of this rectangle. Idinte length inu parallel aayitana pathway പോകുന്നത്. Clear? Next one is the breadthwise pathway. Breadthwise pathway. Those pathways will be parallel to what? Parallel to breadth. Rectangle inde allengi rectangular field or park or whatever may be. Adinde means a rectangle breadth in a parallel pathways. Those are breadth-wise pathway, and those are parallel to breadth, and it has the same length as breadth. Breadth breadth അതേ ലെങ്ത് തന്നെ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ ബ്രെഡ്ത്ത് എത്രയാണോ അത് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും ഈ പാത്വേയുടെ ലെങ്ത്. ക്ലിയർ? ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ all pathway all around, pathway all എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലെ, ഗ്രൗണ്ടിന് ചുറ്റും pathway all around. Suppose if this is the ground, and this will be the pathway. The orange region is the pathway. Groundine chuttu. Football ground എന്നൊക്കെ അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ അല്ലേ, ചുറ്റും അല്ലേ pathway ഉണ്ടാവുക. Okay, this is the what? Pathway all around. ചുറ്റും അല്ലേ, around, all around. Next, lengthwise, breadthwise pathway. The fourth manner is lengthwise, breadthwise pathway. Appo the lengthwise undav, breadthwise undav. It is called crossroad. Crossroad. Let me see. Okay. One pathway will be like this. One will be there. Or lengthwise pathway undav, and there will be a breadthwise pathway also. Rendu undavu alle, lengthwise pathway undavu and breadthwise pathway undavu. Clear? There will be a lengthwise pathway and breadthwise pathway. These are known as crossroad or lengthwise, breadthwise pathway. Clear? You have to memorize this picture so that you can do the problems related to this. Okay, everyone take your notebook. Now write the heading pathways. Pathways, then underline. Then write this question. I'm not giving this to your notebook. You can read this from your textbook, right? Memorize it now. Lengthwise pathway, breadthwise pathway, pathway all around, lengthwise, breadthwise pathway, or crossroad. Example 1. A garden of length 180 meter and width 60 meter has a 10 meter wide pathway running through its lengthwise. Find the area of the pathway. A garden of length 180 meter and width 60 meter has a 10 meter wide pathway running through its lengthwise. Find the area of the pathway. Read the question, sorry, write the question very fast. Write the question, copy the question to your notebook. Okay, it's a garden. We know its length and breadth. 180 meter is the length of the garden. 60 meter is the breadth of the garden. And 10 meter is the breadth of pathway. So look at this. This is the garden. Suppose this is the garden and
Miss ഇപ്പൊ വരയ്ക്കുന്നത് വരയ്ക്കണോ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലേക്ക്?
okay, you may copy this to your notebook. 180 meter to the left side of your notebook. 180 meter is the length and 60 meter is the breadth. And we have a pathway. We have a pathway running through it lengthwise. Running through its lengthwise pathway ആണല്ലേ? It's a lengthwise pathway. Lengthwise pathway എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ breadthന് parallel ആയിരിക്കോ lengthന് parallel ആയിരിക്കോ? We have only 1 minute left. When the class will end, you have to rejoin. Let me remind you, you have to rejoin. 1 minute left. You have to